In 1975, German and Arab Palestinian terrorists hijacked an Air France plane, carrying, among others, 100 Israelis. Africa was nowhere involved in this fight. Are you following me? I told you it was German and Arab Palestinian terrorists who hijacked a plane of 100 Israelis. They needed to keep them hostage to negotiate the release of other Palestinian terrorists. The president of Uganda at that time was Idi Amin Dada, who previously was close friends with Israel, but got angry and turned against Israel. I don't have time to give that whole story. And he told the terrorists, you can keep the terrorists here at Entebbe. The Israelis knew nobody cared about Israelis, just like nobody cared about Africans. And no one was coming to save them. So they organized 100 Israeli commandos to stage a daring rescue. Where are my Kenyan brothers and sisters at? The president at that time was Jomo Kenyatta. Close friends with Israel. And the Israelis had a plan that could not be executed without Kenya. Kenya and Uganda border each other. So the Israelis sat on the border of Kenya right next to Uganda and did reconnaissance. They made a makeshift of Idi Amin's Mercedes-Benz and all of his guards went in the middle of the night, rescued every one of the Israeli hostages except for one who was in a hospital. Only one commando was killed. His name was Yonatan Netanyahu. Yes, that man, the brother of the prime minister. The Israelis rejoiced and celebrated, thanked Kenya for its help. And when Idi Amin saw how deceived he was, he slaughtered 245 Kenyans living in Uganda. Watch me. The Israelis were saved. And the Kenyans, whose president stood with Israel, died. Idi Amin even swore to kill Kenyatta, but he couldn't do it. My question for the class: who paid the most after that act of terrorism? Yes, the Israelis were terrorized and rescued. Who paid with their lives? Africans. Kenyans who had nothing to do with it. Why? Because it's Africa's role to usher the nations to Zion. This region of Kush, where Kenya and Uganda meet, this was all considered Kush in the Bible. You had Kush coming against each other, one standing on the side of God's promises and one standing on the side of terrorism. Let me finish this. All those in Uganda, wave at me. They repented before God. The leaders came together and repented for what their leader did. They didn't do it.
እነሱ እዚህ ዘመን ሰዎች አላደረጉትም
But the word of God says,
ስላደረጉት
but the word of God says,
የእግዚአብሔር ቃል ሲናገር
righteousness exalts a nation.
ህዝብ ከፍ
But sin is a reproach.
ኃጢአት ግን ታዋርዳለች አለ.
Ugandan said, God, we are called to stand with your firstborn.
ስለዚህ ሙጋንዳኖች ቆሙና እንዲያሉ እግዚአብሔር ሆይ ከአንተ በኩር ጋር እንቆማለን.
But our leader led us into terrorism against your firstborn.
ያንተን በኩር ለመውጋት ግን የሽብር ጥቃት መሪያችን አደረገ.
Forgive us.
ይቅር በለን አሉ.
The 40-year anniversary, Bibi Netanyahu went to Uganda.
ነፃ የወጡበትን መታሰቢያ 40ኛ ዓመት ሲከበር ቤንጃሚን ኔታንያሁ ወደ ኡጋንዳ ሄደ.
Because Uganda and Israel have been close.
ከዛን ጊዜ ጀምሮ ኡጋንዳና እስራኤል ህብረታቸውን እንደገና አጠናከሩ.
He embraced the people. Then he got on a plane and flew to Kenya.
ከዛም በኋላ ከህዝቡን አመስግኖ ወደ ኬንያ ደግሞ ሄደ.
Because at that time, Jomo Kenyatta's son was the president.
በዛን ጊዜ ጆሞ ኬንያታ ልጅ ነበር ፕሬዝዳንት የነበረው ሁሩ.
And they had a ceremony commemorate, and he thanked the Kenyan people again.
እንደገና የኬንያንም ህዝብ አመሰገነ.
Tears were falling down the eyes of Israelis and Kenyans.
በኬንያ
You were there. Mama was there. You were there.
ምስክር የነበሩ ሰዎች ነበሩ.
We watched it. I wanted to be there, Mama. I couldn't be. I'm watching it on the video.
እኛ ደግሞ በቪዲዮ መለከት ነበር. ተሐድሶ ሆነ.
Israel reaffirming its tie.
ስለዚህም ከእስራኤል ጋር እንቆማለን ብለው አፍሪካኖች ቆሙ.
Africans, we don't have a choice.
አፍሪካኖች ምርጫ የለንም.
We either do what God said,
ወይ እግዚአብሔር ያለንን እናረጋለን,
or wind up like Idi Amin's Uganda.
I'm not Idi Amin Uganda እንሆናለን.
I'm not trying to scare nothing. I'm trying to be as real as I can.
ማንንም ለማስፈራራት አይደለም, እውነትን ለማቅረብ.
You and I
እኔና እናንተ
are called to stand with Israel and the Jewish people.
ከእስራኤልና ከአይሁዶች ጋር
እንቆም
ተጠርተናል. እኔና እናንተ
are called to usher the nations to Zion.
ህዝቦችን ሁሉ ወደ ጽዮን ለማምጣት ተጠርተናል.
And from where does the call come from?
ያ ጥሪ ደግሞ ከየት ነው የመጣው?
The God of Abraham, Isaac and Jacob.
የአብርሃም የይስሐቅ ያዕቆብ አምላክ ነው.